any questions you... Oh, sorry, one sec. Yeah? Hello? Oh, Tails!
Hey, Sonic. I heard you were doing that Twitter thing again.
You didn't invite Knuckles.
You ever jumped?
Just me.
Surprise! You didn't think you could host another one of these without me around, did you, Sonic? Oh, I brought a friend!
Use a little help from the ultimate. After 5 long years, I'm taking over Sonic's
Baller! Drive-by! Incoming!
Oh, motherfucker, my car!
We gotta get back to the hood, man. It's too crazy around here. Grab a bike and pedal. Even you ain't got that.
I think it's about time we get started then. You all know the drill. If you want to ask us a question, just send us a tweet using the hashtag AskSonic.
We couldn't find you, though.
I am
Sorry.
invincible!
I see. What kind of system is this?
An honor system. And a...
Very well.
Don't worry, Shadow.
You ever jumped before?
Nah, you?
Nah.
When we land, we're gonna feel invincible.
I am invincible!
Hey, wait up!
Wahoo!
Anyway, thanks for the question, When I take over this planet, unlike you, you'll be on my good list. Duffy asks,
Jumped before?
hope you're all having a nice
Nah,
day.
you?
Sonic,
Nah.
if you were to
When
list
we land,
everything you like
we're gonna
about
feel
your little buddy
invincible.
Tails,
I
what
am
would it be?
invincible!
Aw, this one's about me?
Well, let's see. Tails is awesome for a ton of reasons, but I'll list the big ones. He's always there for me when I need him. And
Sure. Just like that time you were sent to the capsule with
Berkeley's launched a full-scale attack.
This is insanity!
All batteries commence fire! He's going for my transmitters. If he takes them out, I'll never be able to launch a counterattack.
No problem, man, but they're only toys.
They're not toys, they're just smaller.
Good to see you.
He's at 12 o'clock.
Now everyone's here.
And I brought an extra friend this time, too. Come on in, Yapper.
Kamikazes at 6 o'clock!
I brought the miles up so I can help translate anything he has to say.
Great kid, don't get cocky.
He's excited to answer some of your questions.
Sweet, thanks, Tails.
R.C.
Since we're all
Barron's
here,
at 9
I think it's
o'clock.
about time
Hi,
we get
Carl.
started then. You all know the drill. If you want to ask us a question, just send us a tweet using the hashtag AskSonic, and you may get a personal response from us.
Why are we using Ask Sonic again?
You ever jumped before?
Nah, you?
Nah.
When we land, we're gonna feel invincible.
I am invincible!
Hey, wait up!
You wanna drive?
Yeah, that's cool. Nice car, Smoke.
You know me. It's not cut. Keep the battle and keep it real.
No, I wouldn't be opposed to a stroll down memory lane.
Orders! Drive-by! Incoming!
Oh, motherfucker, my car!
We gotta get back to the hood, man. It's too crazy around here. Grab a bike and pedal. Even you ain't forgotten that.
Berkeley has his sycophantic lackeys do all his deliveries. But we shall hit him where it hurts the most. Bring his mail-order model business to its knees. Launch the Red Baron. Now get her back home in one piece before she runs out of fuel. No!